enjoying the morning, the sun. Listen to the birds. Birds around the pool. Just a heavenly day unfolding. The cat's having a wonderful time. Eating the cat grass, cat nip and cat mint in May. Cat's enjoying cat grass on a December morning, eating it enthusiastically for breakfast. Mao and Fox at their favourite meal, eating brine juice. Look at the tongue action.
It's hard to see. That's a big photo. Look
Cat's in the window. Mao with the cat next door, quiet, just looking at each other. I think Mao's stalking her. She's ignoring him. Now, Foxy arrives on the scene. She goes over to where Mao is. They're joining forces. Oh, I think she's trying to encourage him to join forces. He's not that interested. Come on, what are you going to do about this intruder? No, nothing. Oh, wait a minute. She's right onto it. Oh, Foxy's upset.
Foxy, Foxy, don't be bad. Don't do this. Don't do. She's a friend.
He's very good with the new toy. I think he's got it again. No.
They like much more if it's feather, no, darling? The animals in it.
What's that?
Mao enjoy much more if the feather that they put to the animals in it.
I do.
In one particular meeting that Andrew Fraser had with Peter, he was discussing the prosecution case of Breach that had served on the trial for the murder of Margaret Marr.
You're doing a good job there, Mal. I think you've got it. You've stopped it. My God. You've killed the toy.
Look like the animal is dying now, isn't it?
The toy is dying, Mal. You're the big hunter.
Fraser spent a significant time with Peter in his cell talking about
Mal's getting very aggressive with this new toy. Just caught it. About to catch it again. Sometimes he leaps in the middle. Mal's getting very aggressive with this new toy. Just caught it. About to catch it again. Sometimes he leaps in the middle. Gee, Mal, you're getting very vigorous, and I think you've caught it.
He just threw away the... not
that
hide
night
anymore.
and
He
spoke
lifted
to
this
the
there.
chosen person at the prison the very next morning.
Paul Scott would never have imagined.
Foxy, she's a
Foxy
friend.
and the next door cat.
Foxy, she's a friend, Foxy. Hmm? She's a friend. Hmm?
Foxy not happy about the next door cat. Oh, in the background. See on new carpet, new mat, really enjoying.
Mm.
Rolling around, smelling it. Male nearby, not so sure. See in the strawberries. She's in love with him.
To identify the culprit, the FBI examines the histories of every Flight 11 passenger.
In the process of doing this background check, something catches their eye in regards to a passenger named Thomas Doty.
Investigators discover that this family man has a criminal record. Then they locate a critical piece of evidence.
The FBI
They're going to find something still if you don't provide fixed activities for them.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's count down the mouse of mischief caught on tape. Our first cat of the act makes his debut at number 5 for skillfully relocating his buddies